Not getting text notifications on your iPhone lock screen, it can be annoying, especially if you depend on those alerts. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through easy solutions to fix the issue. Let's dive in and get it sorted. Before you start, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode, turn off Low Power mode. Solution 1. Check lock screen notification settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Notifications, tap Show Previews, select Always. Go back, select the app with missing notifications. This can be WhatsApp, Message, or Instagram. For me, I'll select WhatsApp. Make sure to enable Allow Notifications. Ensure that lock screen is toggled on under Alerts. Make sure Show Previews is set to Always or When Unlocked. Now tap on WhatsApp notification settings. Make sure to enable all the important settings from here. Exit settings and check if the lock screen notifications are now appearing. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down, tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Select Wi-Fi and Cellular Data. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Your iPhone will restart. Check if the notifications now show on the lock screen. Now that you followed these steps, your text notifications should appear on your iPhone lock screen. Let me know if it worked or if you need any more help.